Hey guys, the good folks over at GarveeHome gifted me this artificial tree. It's an indoor tree. It's supposed to be like 5 foot tall. We're going to get it opened up and check it out. So stick around. Oh. Well, I guess it's one, but it comes with 2 pots. It's a heavy-duty plastic pot. Looks like it comes in sections here. That is nice looking, guys. That looks like real wood. I am impressed. Okay, this one's put in here. There we go. Uh-oh. That's heavy. I guess you can take this and set it. Oh, that's heavy. Like that. Guess that's the way that goes. Don't think you can see it real good, but let me lower this desk. Oh wow, look here. There's little rocks. Yeah, they're little rocks. Yeah, that might sit down in there. Yeah. Tell you what, let me get this thing all put together and I'll check back with y'all in just a minute. I just want to show y'all real quick. Right here, that's got a 1 on it, and these limbs have numbers on them. This is number 2, number 4, and a number 1. They're all numbered. You got 1, 4, and 2. Then we have a 3 right here. So you can just put these together. You just take this and put it right here. Match the arrows up. They'll have an arrow. It looks like a triangle on just this one piece, but when you put on the other piece, it's an arrow. Like so. You gotta kind of fluff them out a little bit. Probably gonna have to sit this on down on the floor. This thing's tall. Just kind of fluff them out. And this one will go on here, that, and then this will slide on this one. That is nice. Tell you what do y'all think about that? I like it. Really nice. I'm 5'9". This is taller than 5 foot. Look at that. Now it does come with the instructions. It kind of tells you what I just told you pretty much. Just match the numbers up. Fluff it up like a Christmas tree. If you've ever done an artificial Christmas tree, you'll know what I'm talking about. And there it is. I really like it. It's pretty. I like that. If you'd like to check one of these out for yourself and possibly get one, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.